Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a fuel pump on a Kia Soul. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. This prevents accidental electrical shorts. Next, it's crucial to relieve the fuel system pressure. You can typically do this by removing the fuel pump fuse and cranking the engine briefly. Finally, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a fuel line disconnect tool and various wrenches. Now, let's access the fuel pump. In most Kia Soul models, you'll find an access panel located under the rear seat cushion. Carefully remove the seat to expose this panel. Once the panel is visible, remove its fasteners to reveal the top of the fuel tank and the fuel pump assembly. Before proceeding, gently disconnect the electrical connector and any fuel lines attached to the pump. Be prepared for some residual fuel. With the lines disconnected, it's time to remove the old pump. Use a specialized tool or a brass punch and hammer to carefully unscrew the large retaining ring that secures the fuel pump module to the tank. Once loose, gently lift the entire old fuel pump assembly straight out of the fuel tank. Be mindful of the fuel level. Now, carefully insert the new fuel pump, ensuring it seats correctly and all seals are properly aligned. To finish up, reconnect all fuel lines and the electrical connector to the new pump. Double-check that all connections are secure to prevent leaks. Reinstall the access panel and then the rear seat cushion. Before starting the engine, turn the ignition to the on position for a few seconds, then off, repeating this a few times. This primes the fuel system. Finally, start the engine and check for any leaks. For other great deals, including a link to the Oala water bottle, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.